Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very effective gel to get rid of dark spots, open pores. If you have blackheads, whiteheads, it's basically a detoxifying gel, face gel, which I'm going to be sharing with you all today. Very effective for all these skin related problems. You can apply this twice a day, morning and night, to see visible changes on the skin. So for this year I have taken my herbal water. In this I have added neem, I have added rosemary, I have added green tea and a little bit of rose, fresh rose petals. So this is the solution here with all these 4 different herbs and floral ingredients which have amazing skincare benefits to treat all these problems which I have listed. Now to make a gel of this, I'm going to be adding Sepimax Zen as my gelling agent, and here I have my glycerin as my moisturizing agent, skin humectant, which is going to help to keep your skin well hydrated and moisturized. And we'll go ahead and add our Sepimax Zen to this. Now we'll give this a mix, and whenever you add any gelling agent to your products, like any powdered gelling agents, you need to give this time to hydrate. You need to leave this the powder in the solution at least for an hour so that all this white powder converts into a nice transparent gel. So we are just going to leave this as it is here for it to completely gel, and then I'll show you how the gel looks. Okay, so I've left the Sepimax Zen to hydrate in this bowl for a while now, and we have a nice gel consistency, a lightweight gel consistency. All the Sepimax Zen has nicely hydrated and gelled in the solution. So we'll now go ahead and add our preservative to this, and we'll give it a mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed in all the preservative here in this, and we'll just fill it up in our container. Now this gel is something which helps to control the oil balance on the skin. If you have excessive sebum production, which causes your clog, your pores to clog, which again in turn causes acne, whiteheads, blackheads. This completely helps to remove or clear those clogged pores of yours. It unclogs the pores and helps to treat all types of skin related issues. So it's a very, very lightweight gel. Okay, even on application it's very lightweight and easy absorbing into the skin. So those of you all who have acne issues, blackheads, whiteheads, dark spots, do give this gel a try. Use it twice a day, and within a month of use you'll see a considerable change with these issues on your skin. If you like what I share with you all, if you want me to come up with more such different variations, different ideas with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.